In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional fields in Tally.so. To get started, open Tally.so and go into the form where you want to create your conditional fields. Before setting up the logic itself, make sure the main questions are already added to your form. These are the questions that will control what your visitors see next, so it helps to think through the user flow first. For example, you might create a question that asks, "What is your role?" with answer choices like student, employee, and business owner. Then you might add another question such as, "What is your company name?" In this case, you may only want that second question to appear if someone selects employee or business owner. That's exactly where conditional fields come in. Next, create the field you want to show later, then hide it. To do that, click on the field you want to display conditionally, open the block settings using the small options menu, and choose hide. This keeps the field invisible until the form meets the rule you're about to create. Hiding the field first is important because conditional logic will reveal it only when the right answer is selected. Now it's time to add the logic. Click below the trigger question, type /logic, and choose conditional logic from the menu. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also use Control or Command plus Shift and L. This opens the logic builder, where you can define exactly when hidden fields should appear. Set up your condition by choosing the trigger question and matching it to the answer you want. For instance, if the role is employee, then set the action to show blocks and select the company name field. This tells Tally to display that hidden question only when someone picks employee. If needed, you can also build more advanced conditions. For example, if the role is business owner, you can tell Tally to show a business name field and a number of employees field. This is useful when different answers should lead to different follow-up questions, creating a cleaner and more personalized form experience. Once your logic is in place, preview the form and test it carefully. Try different answer choices and confirm that the right fields appear and disappear as expected. It's a good idea to test multiple scenarios before you publish, especially if you've added more than one condition. When everything is working properly, go ahead and publish the form. After that, you can share the public link or embed the form on your website. And that's how to add conditional fields in Tally.so.